Hello, everyone, and welcome to our little presentation of our time in Zanzibar, where we helped Chako on their way to zero waste. Let's rewind a little to September 2021, when we first learned of the Zanzibar waste problem. In Zanzibar, waste is everywhere. Only 30% of all waste is collected and disposed of. The uncollected trash has a significant contribution to pollution of nature and coastal waters, causing health implications for the public. The rest of the waste, so the other 70%, gets dumped in illegal dumps or just somewhere on the street. The increasing amount of tourists goes hand in hand with an increasing amount of waste on Zanzibar. Especially restaurants and hotels have a lot of waste in the form of wine bottles and such. A lot of restaurants thus create their own little dumps, like this one we found on Prison Island. This is where Chako comes in. Chako was founded in 2010 by a Dutch Zanzibar couple. It is now located near the Kidichi spice farms. They work on three separate things. First being they create products that are made of recycled waste materials. Not only does this create something beautiful out of trash, it also shows the locals how to learn to recycle themselves. Secondly, they try and increase economic opportunity by enabling local artisan craft producers to expand their product ranges, establish networks, and connect with us. The third of all, Chako encourages learning by teaching and guiding local artisan craft producers to be creative and artistic without any limitations. In September, our mission started out as being to investigate the workplace to propose and develop ways in which Chako can make it a more green, zero emissions workplace. The plan was for us to look for several solutions. We realized, however, that turning the entire workplace zero waste in 3 months would be a bit ambitious, which is why we decided to mainly focus on the trash pile that gets created by glass that cannot be used for production. This meant that our mission became to design a product or several small products which will be made from residual waste from the current production process. This will help Chako towards becoming more sustainable. Our plan was to deliver everything needed for Chako to continue production after our internship.
Since day one, we worked hard on achieving this mission. Back in the Netherlands, we decided to make these products out of residual glass waste and concrete, and we already came up with multiple product ideas. Well, like many other startups, our startup process was also quite messy. In the first week, we started with sketching multiple designs of the product ideas. After a meeting with our project provider, we came down to these four so-called final products: an umbrella base and a plant pot for the garden product line, and a toothbrush holder and soap holder for in the bathroom. We made a planning, created the molds, and poured the glass concrete mix in to create our first prototypes. After some failed prototypes and a meeting with Mark, a designer of Chako, we chose to only stay with the beach umbrella base and change the other products due to strategic marketing, problems in design, and health risk with using the concrete in the bathroom products. This resulted in changing the design in the last 3 weeks that we had left for the project. Based on the meeting, we decided to come up with small decorative products like tea light holders. For the small products, we explored product ideas by collecting plastic from the waste pile at Chako to create molds out of them, in combination with looking what they already used in other products. After sketching and trying out many quick prototypes, consisting of flower pots and tea light holders, we chose the most potential ones to present to our project providers and to Mark. Eventually, we came down to 4 final products. Kim will elaborate more on these.
Finally, these are outcomes of our journey, a collection of beach umbrella base and tea light holders. In every umbrella base, around 50 wine bottles can be processed and 1 wine bottle for the small tea light holder. It means by continuation of new products, Chako can get rid of their residual waste and thus they can collect and upcycle more waste to improve the environment on Zanzibar. Furthermore, the new products also help Chako to expand their current production, which leads to more support to the empowering of the uneducated and unemployed youth and women on Zanzibar. To help Chako continuing with the new products, we have made a price calculation. By our estimates, the umbrella base will have a start price of €12.30 and €2.95 for the stili holder. Lastly, we organized training sessions with some Chako artisans to teach them how to make the new products. To make sure that they can continue without us, we also create instruction video and manuals for them. We are very hopeful in our results. Thanks to Chako for providing us this wonderful opportunity.